Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to do an Oogie Boogie nail set. I did one last year. I can link it up below or up top, I guess, in the little cards area. So I am going to be taking some perfect white, and I mix this with, I believe I did a top coat or a base coat. I can't quite remember because I filmed this like 4 months ago at this point. No, like 3 months ago. And what I did is I mixed it up on a little bit on the side, and then I'm going in and painting all the nails. And then I remembered I had milky white Jimmy gel. So just use a milky white. You can mix, again, white and top coat or base coat or just clear in general to make a milky white, but this base is that milky white. Going to take the nail art foil and I am going to apply this on my thumb and my ring finger, and we are going to stick this kind of clear hollow foil down, and I wanted to add a little bit of dimension here to kind of give a subtle pop. In the ring finger, it doesn't really come through once I put the Oogie Boogie over it, so here's where I remember that I had Jimmy gel, so I'm going to do a nice thin layer on all of them except for the ring finger. And you can see I got this idea from Steph's Nails. I absolutely loved it. So I went in with a corner of glitter and I just mixed up the different glitters, and I did it at that diagonal and kind of brought it down just slightly. You're going to take your milky white on top. Definitely make sure you clean this brush off before putting it back in to the jar if you are using like a builder gel like this. I'm going to take the fine detail brush from Young Nails and I'm going to work out the spider web. Now I'm taking that foil gel that I used earlier to put on the foil, and I'm actually going to rub in some gold chrome, and then once I cure that fully, I will take the, I believe I actually took alcohol or cleanser to clean parts of it off because I wanted it to be a little bit more rugged. I didn't want it to be perfect. So I did rub some of it off to give it more of a textured feel. Going in with a matte top coat over the middle and pointer finger. Adding the dots to do my drips. I fast forwarded this quite a bit because you'll be here forever, okay? So just add your dots, bring it up, and the trick for me is to round the top. So when you bring it up to the top is to round it. Now we're gonna draw Oogie Boogie. I did this in 200% for the beginning, and then the black outline, I decided to speed it up. And you will see that this is white and he ends up becoming mint green. Because when I outlined it, I was like, there's something missing. I went back to the reference photo from Steph's Nails and it had like this greeny blue tint instead of like the true, like green he is in most of the nails. I mean, he's like, what, a potato sack? But you know what I mean. So they're mostly green. So I did it in that seafoamy green. And here is You Had Me at Hello, which is the color I used, and I forgot to film it. But you can see it just adds a little bit more, I feel like. And I also forgot to film the pinky. I just put the glue down, glued my stones, and then did a top coat around it. But again, it is all matte, including the Oogie Boogie. I think hand-drawn designs tend to look better on matte. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.